Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Experian subscription step by step in a simple and clear way. So the tutorial today is how to cancel an Experian subscription. First, sign into your Experian account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, go to My Profile. You'll find this option in the top right corner of the screen. Next, inside your profile, go to the membership section. Scroll down until you see an option that says Update Online, then click on it. After that, you'll be asked to select a membership plan. To cancel your paid Experian subscription, choose the basic membership plan. Now, Experian will ask you to give a reason for updating or changing your plan. Select a reason from the list or enter one if required. Once you've done that, review the details carefully and submit your request. After submitting, your subscription will be downgraded to the basic plan, and your paid Experian subscription will be canceled. And that's it. That's how you cancel your Experian subscription. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more credit and finance tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.